around them or something.
Everybody say, hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama. Why?
We all know you're too old to decorate trees anymore. We've taken over from here. We got it from here. You can just come over and enjoy it. If you can make it up the steps.
Dad. Take her space. Now can I hang stuff on it?
Yeah, absolutely. This box right
Where's
here.
your little Noelle thing you were?
Need to uncover it.
What,
I
Dad?
got a thing of hooks too, Noelle. If we.
Okay, I got you.
What did you say, Dad?
Where's your little the thing you were showing me earlier?
What was I showing you?
Some things said Noelle on it.
Oh, I don't know where that's at. In the top of the box.
We should find some clothes for you.
Okay. Need some? Do you need hooks?
Me?
Yeah,
No.
I got hooks. If you need them for those big ones. Stephen, we got it up if you want to come help decorate.
Steven.
He probably doesn't want to. I mean.
What are you doing, Dad?
Labeling these.
Part of this family.
So next-
Year late.
Having family time. He's part of the family.
What's your hair license? Let's make this one.
You're a part of the family too.
I know she's like, well, wait a minute now. What about me?
Molly quiet.
Molly's got a part of
Molly.
putting them on the back of the tree.
What?
Molly's got a part of putting ornaments on the back of the tree.
Alright, we'll be back with the Christmas tree update.
I'm just randomly writing letters on them.
With From Us to
You
Mama.
gotta remember.
No, it's both of them have the same letter.
Oh.
Y'all make sure that the branches are kind of pooped out and everything. It looks nice and full.
Okay.
That's what